Hello, my name is Tanya Gautam and I am from 8th grade and also an IQF ambassador. Today I got a chance to express my views and give feedback on this club IQF. I am in this club since the 6th class and it's 3 years. I learned moral values and the importance of meditation in this club. Before the pandemic, we played games, watched videos, PowerPoint presentations through which we understood that what is the importance of meditation, how can we control our mind through meditation. Meditation is the only process and the process to achieve success in our life. We got to know through our leader, H.S. Negi sir. He led us very nicely in this session. Now, in the lockdown, we had continued this club, and I am glad that in lockdown we got to know much about our country and our body, and I am really happy to be in this club and an IQF ambassador. All thanks to H.S. Negi sir.
Hi, I'm Spardha. I love IQF class very much. Our IQF sir taught us many things that are useful in our life. We did yoga, meditation, life skills that are many important in our life. Last year we also went to farm where we learned many things and did very good activities. But in lockdown we can't stop, so we started our online session that was just like school as we did in school. I absolutely love every session. Thank you.
I, Aditi of class 8B, wants to share my experience of IQF club. This club helps us to develop self-confidence, self-reliance, self-knowledge, self-control and self-sacrifice. We have also learned teamwork. I am very glad that I am the ambassador of this club.
Thank you. My name is Avinash Kumar. I read in class 8B and I am also an ambassador of IQF Club. Today I will give you my feedback on IQF Club. IQF Club is a really great club. In it, we learn really new things that we put in our life and become a bright person. In our class, first we do meditation. Within a week, we do yogasana. That is very beneficial to IQF. I am lucky that IQF is in our school and IQF give us that information. Thank you.
I am Vansh from class 8D and especially the student of IQF club. Today I got the work to give feedback to this club. So I definitely see it's a very good club and beneficial to all, whether you are a student, teacher or anything. So it's include meditation and physical exercise in my life. It's really helpful because it's helped me to improve my self-confidence. So I really thankful this club and especially Mr. Hira Singh Negi sir to guide this club. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Palak Arora. I am studying in M Public School. This is an IQF club. We see very good things in it. And now because of coronavirus, our sir takes us regularly online classes. And by this club, I improved my life very well. And sir make us with some activities and we do yoga also daily. So this club is very benefit for our life. Thank you.
Good afternoon everyone, my name is Tejas and I am from class 8th. I have joined IQF club about 2 years ago. At that time I was in class 6th. I did not have any experience about meditation and yoga, but after 2 years I am here to tell you about this because I have little experience now. Basically IQF club is very important for you and it is also very beneficial. Our teacher Mr. H.S. Negi, he is very great and his teachings are also very good. Basically it is for those students who feels busy and lazy throughout the day and whenever the class is going on they don't answer or their mind is present somewhere else. This is a very great club. Join it and thank you.
This session always starts with our Shanti mantra. This mantra refreshes our soul and gives a healthy and refreshed morning to the day. Every day in the session we learn something new and something interesting, and the session is ended by a dose of meditation. By this meditation, we get a healthy start of our day. At last, I just like to thank our school premises to give us this valuable and interesting session to us. And I would like to heartily thanks to Mr. Hira Negi, who is also the in charge of IQF session, who tells very interesting and valuable things to us. Thank you.